Welcome back, my dear student. How are you? I hope everyone will be fine. Today, I will explain and solve the exercise of chapter subject and predicate. Okay, and in previous video, I will also explain and completely give the explanation of the chapter subject and predicate. And now we have some exercises of this chapter. So we take the one by one all exercise and solve it. So first exercise is identify the subject in each sentence. One has been done for you. So you can see here, the little prince walked to the door. Okay, in this sentence you can see underlined word is the little prince and rest of the word is the predicate. Okay, so I will tell you before in a previous video what is the subject and predicate. In a sentence, first part of the sentence will be subject, that that is the part of the sentence which tell us what the sentence is about. Okay, and rest of the part will be predicate. The rest of the part in a sentence is called predicate. So you all know about the subject and predicate. So in the second, here is the study seriously. This is the imperative sentence, and imperative sentence subject is always individual, and you will write down you as a subject and rest of the part, it means study seriously, will be predicate. Clear? Third is the young painter from the district is very talented. So you can see here a long subject, the young painter from the district. It is the group of word, and it will be complete. A complete word will be subject, like the young painter from the district, and rest of the word is very talented will be predicate. Clear? Now next, option number 4. Anya and her dog run on the beach every morning. So you can see here, Anya and her dog is the subject word. Why? Because both are the noun word, and after that you can see run on the beach every morning. This is the part is known as predicate. Why? Because this part start with the main verb. Okay, and fifth is, you can see here the imperative sentence, obey your teacher, and you can see here is the not subject word. So you can write down you word as a subject, and rest of the word obey your teacher will be predicate. Next is the guilty should be punished. The guilty should be punished. In this sentence you can underline the word the guilty. The guilty word is a noun word, and it is the subjective word, and rest of the word that start with the auxiliary verb should be punished, and should be punished will be predicate. So you will write down it. Seventh is down fell the apples from the tree. Down fell the apples from the tree. In this sentence you will write down you as a subject, and rest of the word will be predicate. Okay, next is option number 8. Do you take me for an idiot? Do you take me for an idiot? You will underline the word you is a noun word, and it is the subjective word in a sentence. 9 is the scientist was always observed in work. So you will underline the word the scientist. The scientist, it is the noun word, and rest of the word is was always observed in his work. It is the predicate word. So you will underline the word the scientist. Next is, it means option number 10. Option number 10, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So you can see here the quick brown fox is the subject in this sentence. So underline the word the quick brown fox as a subject, and rest of the word jumped over the lazy dog. jumped over the lady dog is a predicate word. So why? Because this word start with the main verb, and main verb is a jump. Okay, so underline the word the quick brown fox. Now you have to complete your exercise number A, and now start the exercise number B. Here is the provide meaningful subject for these predicates. Okay, here is the given many of the predicate words and also give a blanks before the predicate words. So you will select and write down the subject according to the predicate. And you also know that we can use singular number subject with the singular number verb and plural number subject with the plural number verb. So you will first you identify of the verb, it is the singular or plural, and then also write down the subject according to the sense. Okay, so first is blanks have fallen ill after the function. You can see here is the word have, and you know about that have is a word that used with the plural number subject, and it is also used with the first person. Okay, and then you will write down here I in the blanks, then you will complete the sentence I have fallen ill after the function. Okay, you can also write down here, you can write down as a Rohan and Rakesh have. Okay, Rohan and Rakesh